everyone, and welcome once more to Game Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're gonna be talking on the Infinity Gauntlet, which was used by Thanos in the Infinity War game. So most of us have surely watched that movie. That's really a very quiet movie, and we saw the effects of the Gauntlet Thanos used to destroy the war of the Avengers. So let me take you to how to actually use that and feel yourself like using the power Gauntlet. Let's just start. Okay, first you open your browser and you type in Thanos Gauntlet. Alright, so here you're going to see the Captain America was supposed to wear the Infinity Gauntlet. So yes, actually the movie. It's actually the movie. And here on your right side you can see the gauntlet. Here is it. So now to actually click on that gauntlet and use properly, we're just gonna click on it like this. Just watch and see. Now oh, that's really cool. I can do that all day. See, anywhere you pass on your mouse, it just takes off everything. That's really cool, right? See, can actually take the whole day doing this. That's really very cool. It's very cool. So to bring back all the objects, you've got them to disappear. You're just gonna click back on the gauntlet. Actually, that's what Thanos did. He just pulled off a punch in his hand to bring back everything to normal. But to take it off, he just did a blink as we just did now. So let's pull off a punch. See, all our objects are now showing back. That's the Thanos effect on Google. That's actually cool. So let's do that once more. Take this off. That's really cool, right? Alright, let's bring back our objects. Let's click here once more, pull off a punch, and that's it. So guys, this is how you actually apply the Thanos Gauntlet effect on Google. I just discovered this just recent and I thought of sharing it with you. So hope you like, subscribe to our channel. Hope you love this tutorial and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you've never subscribed, and click on the bell icon for more content.